Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Speak Everyday. So today I am going to speak one of the most thing that is a very stressful thing in our society basically. So what is that thing? That thing is what is real meaning of happiness. I heard about that people and I looked also that people that are not happy in the present world. They have too much tools, they have too much money, and they have too much things expands to their life, expands to them, but enough they are not happy by their life. And what are happening in your life I cannot say to you. They are not happy like that, because the happiness, the peace of heart, the peace of mind, they have totally less from that type of all things. So basically pupils just find happiness nowadays in in physical things, if you have a iPhone, then you are happy. If I have a no iPhone, then I am a no happy. So why I'm no happy? So basically I am gave you this example to understand you what is the main problem of today's youth, why people are feel unhappy and stressful nowadays. I heard about one people and they have a no iPhone, so they just go to their father and say to their father, "Father, please give me an iPhone." Their father are poor and they just say to they just say to their son कि बेटा आपको आईफोन तो नहीं दिला सकते, नॉर्मल फ़ोन से आप काम चला लो तो उस एंड ही विल लाइक he just sell one important thing of their father and they get the iPhone from the mobile shop. So how much our youth, and there is a too much different kind of examples available in our society. So why are students and why are youth are made from like a iPhone and different kind of things which is available in our society. Basically if I have a Android phone, so we can do all of things by using that type of phone. And if I have an iPhone, so we can also do all of the things by using that type of phone. So why our youth are suffering from this problem? So let I give you the reason. Because pupils are unhappy for their lifestyle, because it's a it's a problem creates by rich people, which are very richest in India and in the world. Pupils also follow the rich people and they are feel unhappy. You have a life, very grateful life. Pupils are also want to live that life which you are living. So stay, you know always डूइंग लाइक शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए हमें हर चीज़ का. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि जो आपके पास है आप उसी में खुश रहिए, आपको उसी में ही खुशी मिलेगी. बेसिक थिंग्स क्या है? बेसिक थिंग्स ये है कि आपके पास एक तरीके से अच्छे कपड़े हैं पहनने के लिए, अच्छा आपके पास खाना है, आपको अच्छी नींद आती है रात को, एंड आपकी जो बॉडी है एक किसी लाइक कोई भी ऐसी बीमारी से कोई भी क्रॉनिक डिसीज से आपकी बॉडी महफूज है, ठीक है. तो डैट इज़ अ यू आर वेरी गुड इन द ऑन द अर्थ. आप सबसे ज़्यादा एक तरीके से हैप्पी पर्सन है पृथ्वी पे, दुनिया में. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ माइंड सेट वी हैव टू मेक, वी नीड टू मेक, to be honest, we need to make this type of mindset. And I'm also request to parents, parents need to just discuss to their children, discuss to their youth, why are you suffering from physical things, if I have an iPhone, so I can make good videos and I can learn from different kind of things. And if I have an iPhone, then I have a status in the society. Why? iPhone is not a mandatory, okay? If I have a no iPhone, then I can also get the good status in society. What people damn think about them? Just focus upon yourself. You are happy from inside or not? If you are not happy from inside, so you cannot happy in your entire life from outside. Because in the outside, if I wear this shirt today, so tomorrow there is a in the market different kind of shirts comes, different kind of update are continuously happening in our world. So how much I am buying? I cannot buy the everyday new shirt. So just stay focused upon your life. Try to feel happiness from heart. What is the how you can stay happy? Start thinking about that people which you have not that much you have. Like I start thinking about poor person who are just asking to money, who are just say dad give us to money in the मार्केट एरिया इन द लाइक चौराहा वगैरह पे जो आपसे लाइक जो पूर पर्सन होते हैं, जो एक तरीके से भीख टाइप के मांगते हैं, उनके बारे में सोचिए आप। उनके पास क्या है? कुछ नहीं है उनके पास। तो अपनों से कम के बारे में सोचेंगे तो आप यू विल फील पीस ऑफ माइंड एंड पीस ऑफ हार्ट। आपको दिल से एक तरीके से सुकून मिलेगा। तो उन लोगों के बारे में सोचिए एंड यू नीड टू जस्ट हेल्प दैम like a poor people. Just go to the hospitals and just go to the anath ashram and watch and see them how pupils are staying. Just think about them people. They have that pupils not have too much tools for their life. They have too much money for completing their desires. So just think about them, and when you are start helping about them people, then obviously you are feel peace of heart and peace of mind. That is a real happiness according to me, and according to it's a real definition according to me, and according to one of the most pupils like which pupils have experience of life. Some of the people are also seen that they have too much money but they are living ordinary life. So why are they live ordinary life? Because they know real definition of peace of heart, they know real definition of happiness. So just think about poor people and stay happy, and don't think about your future. Don't think about world like a world money, world bank money, and don't want to try too much rich. Just try to make your future in order to happiness. Like I just try to make your future which you have. डोंट ट्राई टू लाइक दो नंबरी काम करने की कोशिश ना करें। जो आपके पास है उसमें मेहनत करके आप अपडेट होते रहें लाइक दैट। सो if you have any question regarding this video, and if you have any questions, so just you can comment me, because अभी मैं आपको और ज़्यादा वीडियो बनाऊंगा तो ऑब्वियसली सी बात है वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो गई है, और ज़्यादा वीडियो लंबी ना हो इसलिए, क्योंकि लंबी वीडियो नहीं भी बना सकते हैं ज़्यादातर, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे पॉइंट आ जाते हैं जो आपको मैं नहीं क्लियर कर पाऊँगा। सो जस्ट इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग दिस हैप्पीनेस, एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू suggest me anything, what is the title of next video, so you can just comment me, and which type of video you would love to watch in your future on this channel. So just also comment me regarding that type of stuff. Okay, so stay happy, stay healthy, and I will be meet you in the next video. Okay, so just thank you for watching.